What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to install, how to use and how to delete plugins on ChatGPT, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to your chatgpt.com, this page right here, okay? You're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the upper left corner of your screen, click on ChatGPT logotype and you're going to be able to see this sidebar of menus. You can click on plugins and choose the plugin that I would like to install. In my case, I'm going to be installing the creativity plugin on Canva, okay? I'm going to be installing Canva, but there is a search field that you can search for plugins. You can see your installed list of plugins right here. There is some feature plugins, productivity plugins, creativity plugins, developer tools, business. There is lots of plugins, all and some very useful that can save you hours per week, okay? I'm gonna be installing Canva, so all I have to do is click on Canva. Here you can learn more about the plugin and its capabilities, okay? And you can click on install plugin. Sign up with Canva. You must have a Canva account to install Canva plugin, okay? So click on sign up with Canva. You're gonna be redirected to the Canva page. You can log in with your Canva account right here, and you must allow the plugin to do things on your Canva, okay? This is required to make the plugin work. So remember, before installing anything, make sure you trust the plugin, okay? Click on allow. Authorization successfully. So all we have to do now is wait. No worries, just wait. I won't cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. And while we wait, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. It helps me a lot. And if you like the content, send to a friend of yours as well. So there was an error message. All I have to do is refreshing the page. No worries, sometimes it happens, but you can see now try in chat button. So you can call Canva. Canva, create some social media posters. Let's try it out. GPT is thinking. Let me open a new conversation. Now, if you go to Canva and click into the plus button, you're going to be able to see. If you go to ChatGPT and go to plus button, you'll be able to see the Canva right here. You can click to call Canva and type your prompt. Let us check our... And Canva gonna be creating the works for us. I asked GPT to think. Now, how to delete the plugin in the case you don't like it? You can go to your profile, into the bottom left corner of your screen. Go to settings, open the settings, click on plugins, find the plugin that I would like to delete. In my case, it's gonna be Canva. Here is the plugin. All I have to do is click into these three little dots and disconnect. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!